All right, family, so we're gonna be taking a look at the beautiful Amalfi plan right here by Newmark Homes. This one's in Cross Creek Ranch. A lot of the key upgrades that you're gonna want are gonna be the 14-foot ceilings. You're gonna have a study plus a media room. You're gonna have the primary bathroom connected to the laundry room, a mud room, wet bar, you name it, you have it in here. If you want more information about it, hit that description below and let's go take a look at it. All right, family, I'm excited about this beautiful property. Now, this is the Amalfi right here in Cross Creek Ranch. So as soon as you walk in, you're gonna notice the beautiful brick exterior plus the stucco. As soon as you walk into the covered front porch, then you're gonna have your glass pane, double front doors, absolutely stunning, even just going all the way up to the top. Lets plenty of natural lighting in there. So this one's gonna be a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. So the beautiful thing about this one is you do have the study, plus you're gonna have a game room area, absolutely gorgeous with the high ceiling. So you're gonna have the 14-foot ceilings. You're gonna have your LED ceiling fan up there. So it's a nice, cozy little study right here. The good thing is you do have those higher ceilings, which gives it that illusion of having a lot more space. And then this will be your dining room right here. So you have plenty of natural lights coming in. If you notice, you have your clear story windows right there with the window grids, double windows right there. Plenty of space. And if you notice the 14-foot ceilings, they continue in other areas of the property as well, in other rooms. I'll show you this. As you can see, look how gorgeous that looks. So what we'll do is we'll head this way. You'll see you have your nice little chandelier right there going into the to the foyer. You have your powder bath right here. Nice, beautiful lighting fixture right there. Lets a lot of natural light come in. And then this will be your living room connected to your kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. So you're gonna have your engineered wood throughout this property. You're gonna have your built-in microwave plus your oven. You have your light gray cabinetry right here with the cabinet crowns on top. Absolutely gorgeous. You'll have your waterfall countertops right here. You have your farmhouse sink right there. You have your marble countertops with your pot filler, wooden range hood, gorgeous gold handles as well. And the gold continues with the pot filler, as you can see. So you got the backsplash matching the countertops as well. You got plenty of windows, a lot of the clear story windows up there. Adds a lot of natural light. Plus you have your candlelight chandelier right there and all the recessed lighting coming in. So it adds a lot of great lighting to the property. And this will be essentially a little game room area. Use it as a nice area to kind of hang out, gather together. You have your painted beam up there. Definitely adds a nice touch. I know a lot of the properties, they do have the exposed wooden beam, which this is definitely gorgeous. It kind of adds a nice aesthetic to it, but you still can see that it's painted the same color. You got your LED ceiling fan up there as well. And then this would be your media room. Of course, they have it open depending on the different floor plans that you want or different structural upgrades that you would like. Of course, a lot of times you would want this closed off so that way you don't have all that light coming in to whenever you're watching a movie, if you're watching John Wick or you're watching Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, you'll be pretty good to go. This is definitely a stunner. Again, this is the Amalfi floor plan by Newmark Homes. There's a lot of other floor plans, but this just gives you a basis of this one story right here. And this will be your primary bedroom. So you got the flooring that extends in here. You have that giant oversized clear window coming in. Of course, in a lot of the rooms, you have to have or be up to the building codes to make sure that you can egress the room. So if there wasn't, you wouldn't have to have the windows that can open. But of course, lot of times you want windows that can open, lets in that natural breeze, lets in some fresh air for you without actually having to leave your room. And then this will be your ensuite right here, the primary bathroom. Absolutely gorgeous. So you got your tile flooring, countertops extends in here, his and her sink, beautiful lighting fixture up there, oversized mirror. You got your nice soaking tub right there. Large walk-in shower right here. You got your 2 shower heads right there. Take showers together, what you need to do. Yeah, let me know in the comment. I mean, what do you think about this? Do you like it, dislike it? What are some things that you would change? I mean, it looks extremely modern. That's what a lot of people want with new construction. You want the modern feel, especially even with this walk-in primary closet. You have the high ceilings in here. You got the LED lighting coming in here, plenty of space, which the good thing is a lot of people love when it's connected to the laundry room, just like this one. So you got your sink right here, plenty of space for a nice oversized washer and dryer, cabinets, the color extends in here with the separate mud room. So you got your mud room right here. And then you'll have essentially your 2-car garage right here, but this will be a 3-car tandem rather. Because you can see over here, this will be a tandem, but this would be extended out there. So that way you can fit 3 full cars inside of here and you still have plenty of space. Okay. And then right here, you got your little wet bar area over here with the floating shelves. Countertops extends in here as well. And then you have your nice size walk-in pantry. So as you can see, you know, you got plenty of water in there. You still have a lot of space. So, you know, the one thing is you don't want to have a lot of expired things in there. If you haven't went through your pantry recently, you might need to. But as you can even see, even with your fireplace right there extending in there, you can see how beautiful it just looks. I mean, all the white paint, it just adds a lot of nice upgrades and nice deals to it. And this will be another bedroom right here. So pretty much we don't have to go through all the bedrooms, but all the bedrooms are this size relatively. You'll have, you know, of course, your LED ceiling fan. You have enough room in here for whatever you need. And then you have, of course, your walk-in, or it's not walk-in, but essentially you have enough space. I mean, shoot, if you wanna, I can walk in here. But yeah, you have plenty of space in here. That's a good thing about this one is, you know, you'll have plenty of space. And of course, you know, there are a lot of the other floor plans that if you need more square footage, which adds more, you know, room to all the rooms, adds a lot more feet to the room. So that way you can accommodate whatever it is that you need, depending on how big your family is or what have you. They definitely have you covered. Absolutely gorgeous. So this will be the 70-foot lot right here. And this will just give you a basis of the size of the yard. So that way you can see that as well. You have your 14-foot ceiling patio as well. Covered patio. Got your ceiling fan, LED ceiling fan comes in here. You have your LED lighting as well. As you can see, plenty of space for entertainment, plenty of space for, you know, having the folks and having the family. And then even with the entire 70-foot lot, you can see how humongous it is. You have plenty of space in here. Of course, they have 80-foot lots, 90-foot lots, 100-foot lots, whatever you need, they'll have it for you. And that's it for the Amalfi plan. All right, family, I hope you absolutely enjoyed this Amalfi plan. And of course, this is by Newmark Homes. Let me know, do you like this one? Do you dislike it? What would you change? What are some other plans that you want to see? And of course, if you want more information about this, hit the link in the description below, and I'll see you on the next video.